Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you how to send me your design. So let's say this is your design here. You go onto it. This has just got a bit of furniture on it, not much else. There it is. So let's say that's where you got to and you wanted to share that with Mr. Bustle. What you have to do is go up to this button here, Send To. Click on that and it comes up with this window here. It's got a little bar here, you can scroll down. Scroll down and under Share over IM or email, you're going to invite people. You're going to click on the Generate New Link and you're going to copy that link. And then that link is what you put in onto your My Crib batch design page. And once you've done that, you can just click out. So that will be like that'll be like this here. You'll pop it into this page. Right.